everybody. Today I'm going to be making something called Greek salad, okay, which obviously comes from Greece. It's my version of it, so it might not include every little thing that you find in a Greek salad, okay, because adjust it to what you like and what you don't like. And I don't like olives. Blech. So mine doesn't have olives, but normal Greek salads do. Okay, so let's run through the ingredients for you. Okay. You're going to need a big bowl to mix everything in. You're going to need a sharp knife. If you don't know how to cut things properly, or you're worried, get mum or dad or your carer to do it. Chopping board, mine's green. I've got some dried herbs here. If you've got some, that's great. Don't worry if you don't. If you've got fresh herbs, that's brilliant. Got some salt and pepper. I've got one lovely pepper. I've got a red onion. Cucumber here. Okay. Tomatoes. I've got little teeny tiny ones. Only a little bit of chopping. And I've got the most important thing, the feta cheese. If you want to make it even healthier, you can get the low fat version, that's fine. Okay, so let's get cracking. First of all, we need to chop everything up. So I'm going to start with the cheese. I'm going to make 2 portions of it, salad, so I'm just going to use half a block of cheese. If you're going to do it for a family of 4, you use the whole block, okay? This could be as a starter or just a light lunch or something, okay? So half a block of cheese. Let's go. For 2 portions, you'll need probably about half a cucumber, half a green pepper, half a red onion, and a handful of baby tomatoes, okay? But the first thing you have to do is you've got to wash them all, okay? So you have to wash them all, rinse them all under cold water, put them in a sieve or something, okay? There we go, all chopped up. All you have to do now is stir it all around quite a bit so it all mixes in. So you should see the red of the tomatoes, purple of the onion, green of the green pepper, and the cucumber and the white of the cheese. If you don't like feta cheese, you can use mozzarella. Or what else could you do? You could toast some halloumi, you know, that squeaky cheese, you could do that. If you don't like cheese at all, you could just leave it out, it's your salad, okay? Next thing we're going to do is just add some salt and pepper to taste. I like quite a lot of black pepper, but it's up to you. Alright, and then I'm going to add 2 or 3 spoonfuls of this. Get it open. Oh, just a minute. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So there we go. 1, 2, 3. Should be enough. And this is called, it's a type of oil, British rapeseed oil. Okay. And if you see when you're travelling around the countryside in the car in the future, if you see the fields that are yellow, they are growing this crop which is called rapeseed, and they press it to make oil which is like olive oil, but it's made in the UK and it's a lot healthier for you than olive oil. Okay, so just that, and then mix it all up again, and then I'll add some salt and pepper, and then I'm ready to serve it. Okay, so let's go. And there we have it. Greek salad, Rachael style, no olives, and I've just put some dried herbs on the top. Looks lovely, yeah? Okay, see you soon, bye.